Hey friends, my today's topic is how to earn money from Amazon. We will talk about earn money and from this website available opportunities to become an e-commerce seller and earn money from Amazon by selling and even without selling. You can earn money from this site by selling or without selling of products. So let's start our today's discussion about this topic, whether it's about adding an income source or the only income source post the COVID-19 pandemic. One of the best ways to earn money online these days is to make money with Amazon. Given that Amazon is a top e-commerce retailer in the USA, recording a net sales feature of annual $386 billion in 2020, it's a golden opportunity for those who want to become an e-commerce seller and earn money from Amazon. This post highlights how to earn money from Amazon by selling and even without selling. Register from Amazon FBA. Once you enroll your FBA or fulfillment by Amazon, it's Amazon's responsibility for the warehousing, storage, picking, packing, shipping, returns, or refunds of your products. However, to start selling with FBA, you must find a product from Alibaba, make improvements, and label it with your private brand. Sign up for Amazon Seller Central and submit your product information. Ship your products to Amazon and their fulfillment. Here are some most topics. Central shall take care of the distribution, or as customers buy your products from Amazon, the delivery will be fulfilled by Amazon. That's a plus point. Leverage retail arbitrage. If you are a complete novice in this category, the best way to start earning money from Amazon would be to make use of retail at arbitrage and save on the outrageous shipping costs. As heavy as the name may sound, it's simple process where you simply buy stocks, look for discount products from a local retailer and sell them on Amazon with your markup for a profit. Use online arbitrage. Same as in the case of retail arbitrage, your purchase in inventory straight from the online stores as or from a site like eBay for cheap and list them on Amazon and make profits. Publish books using Kindle. Those with writing skills can kick off their book publishing dreams using the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing Service. KDP is a great way to publish digital books within 24 to 48 hours, and that's available on Kindle worldwide. In return, you get the freedom to sell your prices, earn royalties up to 70% on sales, modifies content, and more. Sell bulk products. Amazon business I think there are